Student, here we will do fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. Here C4H10 plus 13 by 2 O2 gives 4 of CO2 plus 5 H2O. Delta H is heat of dash of butane gas. So here 1 mole of gas is completely burnt. This is 1 mole. 1 mole of gas is completely burnt. So we will call it heat of combustion or enthalpy of combustion. Clear? Now HCl, this is acid, plus base gives you salt plus water. Okay, so this is neutralization reaction. So enthalpy change, it is always exothermic. It is written as delta H negative value. Okay, and it is having fixed value. So delta H is heat of neutralization, HCl plus NaOH. It is here, over here, exothermic written with negative sign. Okay, now carbon sulfur diamond. This is diamond converted into carbon graphite. What will we call delta H? So here phase transformation takes place, solid to gaseous state, isolated gases. So we will call it enthalpy of atomization. Remember these words, very important. Carbon here it is solid graphite converted into carbon gaseous. Gas phase is taking place. Oh, okay, so we will call it delta H. Atomization same as in diamond. Here it is in graphite. Now water liquid is converted into water gas. So here liquid is vaporizes to gaseous state. So for this, you know, when we are heating water, then it is converted into gas. Or when during sunlight, water evaporates. So we enthalpy of vaporization we will call it. Okay, when the water liquid is converted into water gas. And now 6 carbon plus hydrogen. How many hydrogen are there? 12. So I will write down 6 hydrogen. 6 times 12 to 12 hydrogen. And oxygen how many? 6. So I will write down complete balance. So when 1 mole of any compound is formed a standard state of these elements, at that moment we call it enthalpy of formation. So 1 mole of glucose is formed, so we will call it enthalpy of formation of glucose. Clear? Enthalpy of formation of glucose, these are the standard state of these elements. Okay, and they will give rise 1 mole of C6H12O6. So we will call it 1 mole of this is enthalpy of formation. It is negative value. It is having negative value. Okay, and just for liquid to gaseous state, it is endothermic reaction. Graphite to gaseous state, it is endothermic reaction. So delta H will be positive. Okay, they will give you the value. You should know and don't. I will say don't remember all the value. You should. It will be given. And here enthalpy of combustion. Here enthalpy of